Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both accounts and signing in. You need your Gmail and Outlook credentials, and you must enable a map in Gmail so Outlook can sync. If you use two-step verification, generate an app password and keep it handy. This avoids repeated prompts. Once done, open Outlook and choose Add Account, enter your Gmail address, and use the app password if prompted. This gets you into the transfer flow quickly without detours. Now configure how mail moves and how often it updates. Choose a map if you want two-way sync so changes in Outlook reflect in Gmail. Choose POP only for a one-time copy. Map folders so sent, drafts, and archive line up with Gmail labels, and set a reasonable sync range to avoid huge downloads. Make sure calendar and contacts import options are checked if you need them. Once mappings and frequency are set, start the sync and finish by verifying mail, calendar items, and contacts appear in Outlook exactly as in Gmail. You should send a test message and confirm delivery and threading, and make sure folder counts match. If something's missing, recheck a map is enabled and that you used an app password when two-step verification is on. Also inspect firewall or antivirus blocking. If sync stalls, remove and re-add the account or reduce the download range. These steps resolve most problems quickly, so you can use Outlook reliably.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.